We have been down at Clongennis for the last 7 years. It's a beautiful beach. Most times I come down, I'll go down to the beach and search for stuff, what I can find. Mostly it's rubbish. It's such a fantastic beach, and everybody comes down because it's a lovely beach, and then they leave their rubbish. If I see rubbish, I can't leave it there. There used to be a lot of cockle bags, mesh, kind of bright orange plastic. They used to pick up a lot of them, and I said, oh no, I've got to fill that one. If anybody saw me, they'd say, hey, doing a good job. And I'd say, yeah, just bring a bag, pick up 3 bits every day, the beach would be clean. Take bags and fill them up.